We know that there's a major gap in Canada when it comes to inclusion in sport research, and interdisciplinary studies is able to facilitate addressing that gap. When I was at KP, my research explored safe sport and Black hair aesthetics in relation to physical and environmental safety, relational safety, and optimization of sport performance. It was really important for us to identify the key aspects in which Black hair becomes intermingled with safe sport. You're thinking about the equipment, you're thinking about the space in which you're actively participating in sport and how safety is maintained in that space. You're thinking about the relationships that you have with your administrators, your coaches, your peers, your teammates on and off the field, and how they create spaces in which you feel like you can show up as yourself. I had the opportunity to teach the sport course in women gender studies, and it was incredible each week to be able to demonstrate to our students that the things that they learn in their other courses are extremely relevant in sport, and to see them open up to the possibility that they also belong in sport and that their research could also be tied into sport. What's really incredible about interdisciplinary studies is that the topics that we look at show up everywhere. All of these things are interconnected, and that our society and our culture aren't built upon silos of ideas and concepts. Sport matters, and it matters in our society and our culture.